Hi everyone and welcome. Great to have you with us today for this PSW Power and Automation webinar. My name is Ole Ivar Guleng. I will be your host for this session. I work as the Business Development Manager for Mobile Energy here at PSW. In this webinar, we will be presenting our products portfolio within the mobile energy segment, and we will give you insight into how our solution can support your operations with flexibility, efficiency and reliability. Whether you're already working with mobile energy or just curious about the possibilities, we hope you find this both useful and inspiring. I've got two awesome colleagues joining me today. First, I'd like to introduce Kjetil Ripe, our Business Development Manager for Energy Control. Kjetil brings deep knowledge into automation and control system, and he will be sharing how our energy control solution help optimize performance and ensure safe operations across various applications. Also with us is Louise Skark, our Business Development Manager for Service and Aftermarket. Louise focuses on making sure our customers receive excellent support throughout the life cycle of our products. And she will speak about how our service offerings add long-term value and reliability. The plan today is simple. We start with a quick overview, walk you through our mobile energy portfolio, show you where and how our solutions are being used, and of course, take your questions along the way. You can drop your questions in the Q&A box at any time, and we will make sure to save some time at the end to answer as many as we can. At PSW Power and Automation, we design complete mobile energy solutions that are built for flexibility, fast deployment and real-world use. Whether that's powering a remote construction sites, enable fast EV charging or supporting the grid. First, we offer AC-based mobile power units, which can be used as a standalone solution or integrated into a hybrid system. The BQS is our compact 10-feet containerized power unit, delivering up to 400 kW of AC power with an integrated high-capacity battery pack. Designed for maximum flexibility, it's easy to set up and connect to a variety of power sources, including grid, solar or generator input. It comes equipped with a built-in DAVE controller and easily connects to existing DAVE-controlled gensets. This simplifies integration and ensures smooth operation right out of the box, whether you're using it as a standalone microgrid setup or as a part of a hybrid energy system with several units in parallel. The BQS is commonly deployed as a reliable temporary power solution on sites where grid access is limited or unavailable. It can also be paired with our DC fast chargers to provide a combined AC and DC mobile power platform, all from a single compact unit. Then we have the BQM Generation 2, now even more powerful, with a power boost from 1 MW to 1.4 MW and 180% increase in energy capacity from 1 MWh to 2.8 MWh. It delivers significantly more performance without taking up more space. Our 20-feet container solution, more efficient and just as compact. It's ideal for grid support, peak shaving and high load environments. For fast charging in the field, we offer a full range of DC charging units designed for electric heavy equipment and EVs. The CQS is our lightweight, towable fast charger, ideal for tight job sites or mobile fleet support. It comes with a 200 kWh battery pack and can deliver up to 150 kW of DC fast charging via the CCS2 outlet. In addition, it provides up to 100 kW of AC power, making it a flexible solution for supporting your construction site's general power needs. Moving up, the CQM and CQL deliver serious power with total charging capacity of 360 kW and 540 kW respectively. Both units can charge two machines at the same time and also provide AC output when needed. All of these units can be recharged via the AC grid, DC fast charging, solar, generators or other mobile power sources, offering full flexibility no matter where you're operating. One of our most exciting platforms is the X-Cube, a fully modular energy system designed for modern zero-emission work sites. You can mix and match cubes for battery storage, fast charging, PV integration and energy control, all in a rugged 20 feet ISO container. It's our most scalable and flexible solution yet. With modules like the C-Cube for high-speed charging and the B-Cube for grid stabilization, this platform is a perfect fit for future-ready construction sites and demanding industrial environments. But of course, hardware is only a part of the picture. What really brings this system to life is the smart control behind them. And for that, I'll hand it over to Kjetil Ripe, our Business Development Manager for Energy Control, to walk you through how our system can stay intelligent, efficient and connected.
Thank you, Ole Ivar. What truly distinguishes our systems is the integrated intelligence and advanced control capabilities we've built into our products. At the core lies our energy management system, ensuring seamless operation by optimizing the energy balance between production, storage and consumption. It also supports price-based energy control and participation in grid services, if and when relevant. On top of this, we offer what we call Asset Hub, a web application-based dashboard solution that gives you a clear overview of your equipment, or as we call, assets. From here, you can monitor your single or your portfolio of PSW assets all in one place. You get key operational data at a glance for all connected systems, or you can look more in detail on a specific asset. If any warnings or alarms occur, the user gets notified and can read out the information on the asset so they can initiate their or our service and maintenance personnel to take a further look. And of course, being web hosted means that all of this is available remotely. With built-in 4G, Wi-Fi or cable internet connectivity, you can monitor and manage your systems from wherever you are.
Thanks, Kjetil. So whether you need a fast EV charger on a construction site, a full mobile microgrid or a smart power hub to support the local grid, we got something that fits. As you probably picked up by now, we offer a broad and flexible lineup of mobile energy solutions built to perform across all kinds of environments and use cases. But having the right tech is just one part of the story. To really get the most out of these systems and keep them running reliable over time, service and support make all the difference. So with that, I'll hand things over to Louise Skark, our Business Development Manager for Service and Aftermarket. She will tell you a bit about how our service keeps things running smoothly and how we are here to support you long after the system is up and running.
Thank you, Ole Ivar. And when it comes to mobile energy systems, it's not just about having the right equipment, it's also about making sure it keeps performing reliable day after day and job after job. At PSW, we have developed a comprehensive service and aftermarket program that supports our customers throughout the full life cycle of the equipment. It's from commissioning and training to preventive maintenance, remote monitoring and on-site support. Our services are designed to help you reduce downtime and to extend the life of your investment. We also ensure that critical spare parts are ready and available either through our own stock or as part of our tailored service agreement. This means faster repairs, fewer delays, and peace of mind, knowing that support is never far away. Many of our systems are deployed in remote or high-demand environments. So we have built in features like remote diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and condition-based maintenance to make support as efficient as possible. For example, if you run a hybrid power system on a construction site, we can monitor it in real time, we can adjust performances remotely, and we can even schedule service before a potential issue becomes a problem. That level of insight helps you avoid unplanned interruptions and keep projects running smoothly. And of course, should anything unexpected happen, our support team is ready to help with fast access to parts and their technical expertise to get you quickly back on track. At the end of the day, it's about making sure you get the most out of your system on day one and every day after.
Thanks, Louise. Let's start the user cases with peak shaving, a simply but highly effective way to reduce the energy cost using battery storage. One of our recent projects was with a factory that occasionally experienced short peak of high energy demand during daily operations. These peaks weren't frequent, but when they did occur, they were enough to push the facility into a higher tariff tier, leading to significantly increased electricity bills for the entire billing period. So to solve this, we installed a BQS 10-feet container on site. A couple of times a day, when demand spiked, the battery automatically kicked in, supplying up to 200 kilowatt of power to cover those peaks. That kept the factory's grid usage steady and below the critical threshold, effectively avoiding the tariff jump. The best part, the system ran completely automatically, with no need for operator input, all managed by our energy management system. The result was lower energy bills, more predictable power usage, and zero disruption to production. Everything was monitored and tracked in real time using our Asset Hub dashboard, giving the customer full visibility and control. It's a simple solution with a big impact, and it's just one way to help the customers get more value from their energy systems. Our second use case shows how mobile energy system can support the electrification of heavy machinery, especially on construction sites where traditional grid access might be limited or unavailable. We developed a 10-feet battery container that combines a battery energy storage system with a powerful 360 kilowatt CCS2 fast charger. It's purpose-built to charge electric excavators and other heavy equipment directly on site, helping construction companies transition to a cleaner, quieter operations. In this particular project, the BESS is charged using renewable energy from a wind farm. Once fully charged, the container, mounted on a trailer, is transported by an electric tractor from the wind farm to the construction site. That means the entire charging cycle, from generation to the delivery, is 100% emission-free. What really makes this setup stand out is the software behind it. Using a smart planning tool, we're able to map up the energy needs and locations of every electric machine on site. A central planning table forecasts demands and matches it with available battery capacity, so every excavator gets the power it needs exactly when and where it's needed. The result is a fully monitored, zero-emission construction site with no local pollution, significantly lower noise levels, and smart energy logistics that support modern green infrastructure projects. It's a great example on how mobile battery systems and digital tools can work hand in hand to deliver practical, sustainable power, even in challenging environments.
We realized that efficiency in our customers' operations is key. For example, charging your excavator and going for a lunch break. It will then be important that nothing happens during this time, so that operators can come back after their break to fully charge the batteries and continue their work. Now, of course, an administrator can monitor this from their Asset Hub dashboard and notify an operator if any incident would prohibit charging during their break. But we have also recently released a mobile-friendly web application for the operator, just so they have all the necessary information about the charging process in their pocket wherever they are. So no need for an administrator, the operator gets all the information necessary. For our final example, let's head to the mountains. We recently delivered a year-round energy solution for a mountain resort and a snow production facility, combining a battery energy storage system with a DC fast charger. In wintertime, energy demand peaks. High-pressure water pumps for snowmaking, charging of piced machines and electric snowmobiles all happen at the same time. These loads often exceed the capacity of the local grid, which can lead to expensive connection upgrades or worse, operational delays. Our solution? The battery system steps in to cover short-term power spikes, helping the resort reduce the peak load on the grid, avoiding infrastructure upgrades, keeping everything running smoothly even during the busiest snowmaking hours. By shaving the peaks, the system allows the facility to stay within existing grid limits while still supporting energy-intensive operations. Once the snow is gone and the demand drops, the battery doesn't just sit there. Instead, it shifts roles and starts earning income by participating in ancillary services. In this mode, the battery helps stabilize the grid by responding to real-time frequency fluctuations and gets paid for doing so. The result? Supports grid stability, creates passive income, turns seasonal downtime into financial value. Now, this is a great example on how a smart battery system can provide both operational flexibility in winter and financial returns in summer, making it a true all-season asset. It's not just about energy storage, it's about the energy strategy and using the system to deliver value 12 months a year. And I would also like to add that from the winter season of 2025 to 26, we, together with our customer, will maximize revenue generation also in the winter season by predicting their consumption needs and making the unused BESS capacity available for ancillary services. It is through this type of service stacking we give the best possible return on investment to our customers all year around.
So, as you have seen, mobile energy solutions are already making a big impact, from construction sites and factories to mountain resorts. But the energy landscape is moving fast, and so are we. The demand for clean, flexible and intelligent power is only growing, and we are working on some exciting new developments to stay ahead of the curve. One area where we especially focused on is high power charging for heavy-duty vehicles and equipment. We are currently conducting in-house testing of MCS, the megawatt charging system, designed for electric trucks, large construction machines and other heavy-duty applications. But it doesn't stop there. Passenger ferries and smaller vessels have already started electrifying, and we have successfully tested MCS for DC charging of passenger ferries. MCS will play a key role in advancing this transition, offering fast, powerful charging in one mobile and easy to deploy format. We also see significant opportunities in mobile energy by making use of our shore power system to charge buses, trucks and electric cars when those systems are not in active use. This is where our products truly shine, unlocking more value through smarter, more flexible use of existing infrastructure.
We are also seeing a trend in the solar power segment, where more operators are turning to battery storage to unlock greater value from their energy production. A key driver for this is low and negative energy prices and imbalanced costs. And this is exactly where our mobile BESS units come in, providing flexible storage, solar firming, and added revenue opportunities. And here you get all of this without the need for permanent infrastructure. When combined with intelligent energy control systems that can handle weak grids, prioritize on-site consumption, and enable participation in power markets and grid services, the result is a complete solution that is built for the future. From grid support and load shifting to revenue generation through ancillary services, smart batteries and intelligent software are opening up powerful new opportunities, not just for today's challenges, but for the evolving energy landscape ahead.
So, to wrap things up, mobile energy is no longer a niche solution. It's a key part on how industries are adapting to a tighter emission targets, rising energy costs, and the growing needs for flexible infrastructure. Whether it's peak shaving in a factory, powering electric excavators on a job site, or enabling clean energy in a mountain location, PSW is proud to support this shift with real working solutions already in the field today. And as we've seen, we are not stopping there. With technology like MCS charging and integrated solar and storage solutions, we're looking ahead and building for the future. With that, we'd like to thank you all for joining us today. We hope you found the session insightful and that it sparked a few ideas for your own operations. Now, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the Q&A box, and we will go through as many as we can. Let's open it up.